Now let us find the equation of the normal to the convex. So for this we will use the equation of the tangent line. So tangent line equation we already considered. So using that we will find the equation to the normal. So consider conic ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then normal is defined as normal is the line that is perpendicular to the tangent, so passing through the same point of contact. So the normal is defined as a straight line perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So the equation of tangent at x1 y1 is ax1 plus by1 plus h xy1 plus x1y plus g x plus x1 plus f y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Now let us write it in the form lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So that will give ax1 plus hy1 plus g x plus by1 plus hx1 plus f y, then the constant term is gx1 plus fy1 plus c equal to 0. Now if you have lx plus ny plus n equal to 0, then y will be minus lx minus n by m. So therefore here the slope is going to be minus L by m. Now the slope of the normal line will be in tangent and the slope of L by m anengil slope of normal is going to be equal to m by n. So we will use this here. So therefore equation of normal at x1 y1 is the equation of normal line will be it passes through the point x1 y1. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ equation of line എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് passing through point y minus y1 x1 y1 is y minus y1 into y minus y1 equal to slope times x minus x1. അപ്പം normal line slope m by l വരും. So therefore equation of the normal at x1 y1 will be y minus y1 equal to so m is going to be here dy1 plus h x1 plus f by m by l വരും. So that is ax1 plus hy1 plus g into x minus x1. So that is the equation of the normal. So that's the general equation of the normal line. So we have now seen the equation of the tangent and the equation of the